Bush Band, we thank you very much for being here. It is our pleasure. We're filling in for Miss Nancy Griffith tonight, so we're glad we could be here for you. And wasn't it wonderful hearing Mr. Leo Cotti, one of the masters of the guitar. The true master. Alright, we know y'all are warmed up, so we're going to catch up with you here. One with time to ride the Bluegrass train. So. Riding to Kentucky on a southbound train. Listen to that banjo driving the rhythm through my brain. Just left home this morning and said the reason why I'm going down to Louisville to see my pony ride. To see my pony ride. Now we're riding that bluegrass train. Riding that bluegrass train. If this train's running right, I'll be there tomorrow night. Riding that bluegrass train. Riding that bluegrass train. Lost all my money on a horse that didn't show. What can I pay my way with this old banjo? I gotta get to Nashville before the sun is gone. You can hit me with another shot while I play my lonesome song. Play my lonesome song. Now we're riding that bluegrass train. Riding that bluegrass train. Better hold what you got. You won't keep that summer hot. Rolling through the drive in the rain. Riding that bluegrass I heard the Tracy blues. Someone stole my chain, was just a passing. Got nothing in this world except this old guitar. You can have it for the ticket all the way to Baltimore. All the way to Baltimore. Now we're riding that bluegrass train. Riding that bluegrass train. You know, riding every day. If this cannonball runs the lane, keep going.